Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Airfiber unit and SIM. This matters because voice needs carrier signaling plus correct firmware. Once done, log into the Airfiber admin panel and verify the SIM shows network registration. Make sure your Jio plan supports voice and VoIP LTE. Without that, the call won't route. While you check, open the dialer app or SIP client you'll use. These are first actionable steps because they unlock routing and codec settings you'll adjust next. Now you configure voice routing inside the Airfiber settings. This is the complex middle step because signaling, codecs, and routing must align. You create or enable a SIP/IMS profile pointing to carrier parameters, then prioritize high-quality codecs like AMRWB or Opus with G711 fallback to ensure compatibility. Next, bind the SIM's voice APN to the voice interface and confirm outgoing numbers are routed to. Finish by testing both inbound and outbound calls from different numbers. You need to confirm clear two-way audio and stable latency. If calls fail, inspect signal strength and SIM registration, then verify codec negotiation and NAT or firewall rules that can block RTP. Make small changes and retest, and reboot the Airfiber to refresh IMS registration. If problems persist, collect call logs and SIP traces, then contact Jio support with those logs so they can resolve carrier-side provisioning quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.